everyone, hope you are doing this. I am Ms. Soumya Sresh of Electronics and Communication Department from the College of Sri Ishwar Engineering. Today we are going to see about a detailed explanation video about the virtual reality. Let's move on to this video. Here is the overview of this presentation. After completion of this video, hope you are clear about what is virtual reality, history of virtual reality, types of virtual reality, devices that used in virtual reality, application of virtual reality, and its advantages and disadvantages, and its conclusion. Here is the definition of what is virtual reality. Virtual reality refers to a high-end user interface that involves real-time stimulation and interactions through multiple sensorial channels. Virtual reality means feeling an imaginary, that is a virtual world rather than a real one. The imaginary world is a stimulation running in a computer. The sense data is fed by some system to our brain. Virtual reality allows a user to interact with the computer stimulated environment. But it's real and imagined one. Here, the history of virtual reality. In 1950s, visionary cinematographer Morton Halleck built a single user console called Sensorama. This enabled the user watch television in three-dimensional ways. In 1961, the Philco Corporation engineers developed the first HMD known as the HeadSight. It was in 1965 Evan Sutherland invented what he called the ultimate display. In 1988, commercial development of VR began. In 1991, first commercial entertainment VR system Virtuality was released. Here, this slide shows types of virtual reality. VR systems, that is virtual reality systems, can be divided into three groups. Non-immersive systems like workstations. See information about the real world presented through computer location-based services GIS. Augmented reality systems like HMD. Stay in real world but see stimulated objects. Immersive systems like Cave. See stimulated world and be in the stimulated world. Here the images of devices used in virtual reality, that is head-mounted display HMD. Cave automatic virtual environment Cave and its image. Data gloves and data chute. Application of virtual reality. It is indeed to know its application in the engineering world. Here it is used for business. Virtual reality is being used in a number of ways by the business community, which include virtual tours of a business environment, training of a new employees, a 360 view of a product. Virtual reality environments have been used for training simulators. Examples include flight simulators, battlefield simulators for soldiers, paratrooping. Engineering and design. VR is widely used in engineering and designing process. It gives better understanding of the design and facilitates changes whenever necessary and wherever necessary. It helps to reduce the time and cost factor. In medical, it is widely used. Here the images were inserted. Healthcare is one of the biggest adopters of virtual reality, which encompasses surgery stimulation, phobia treatment, robotic surgery, and skills training. VR finds its application in nursing, dentistry, and health issues for the disabled. And also in entertainment. The entertainment industry is one of the most enthusiastic advocates of virtual reality, most noticeably in games and virtual worlds, virtual museum example, that is interactive exhibitions, gaming, virtual theme parks. Here the slide shows the advantages and both disadvantages. Virtual reality creates a realistic world. It enables user to explore places. Through virtual reality, user can experiment with an artificial environment. Virtual reality makes the education more easily and comfort. Here are the disadvantages. The equipment used in virtual reality are very expensive. It consists of complex technologies. In virtual reality environment, we can't move by our own like in real world. Here the conclusion. In 1999, 10% of the world's computing power was non-human. In 2029, 99% of the world's computing capacity will be a non-human. This is the virtual reality's conclusion. Virtual reality is a growing industry. PC and specialized hardware are getting better, faster and cheaper because of development in VR. In the past, computing power has doubled approximately every 18 months. If this is the case, then we should have a computer powerful enough to run immersive VR programs in our house by the year 2037. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.